Welcome to the heart of South Australia's lush farming region, where opportunity meets lifestyle. This exceptional 160-acre property is a rare chance to secure versatile land in one of the most sought-after locations. Just 3 kilometres from popular Browns Bay, 13 kilometres from Nelson, and only 23 kilometres from the Mount Gambier CBD, the location offers the perfect blend of convenience and country living. With an impressive 708 mm of annual rainfall, adaptable soils, and a strong fertilization history, the land is set up for productivity. Divided into 3 well-maintained paddocks, each with its own water supply, it's ready to support your farming ambitions from day one. On the ground, the infrastructure is built to last, from newly rebuilt steel cattle yards with a crush and loading ramp, to solar-powered electric fencing, dual bitumen road access, and ground-fault solar stock water systems. It's efficient, sustainable, and future-ready. Currently running 46 steers, the property is already a proven performer with room to expand. Whether you're looking to expand your agricultural operation or build your dream rural home, subject to council approval, this property delivers on every front. Close to major livestock selling centres, it offers not just land, but location, lifestyle, and long-term value. Secure your piece of South Australia's farming heartland today.